All right. So here they are, the Travis Scotts that Tradeblock claims I sent with a stain on the left tongue. I just wanted to record the whole unboxing process here and see what's what, see what I can see on that tongue, see if it can be removed easily. So here we go. Can't tell, they put the shipping label on the side, so I can't tell which the top is. I crossed my info out there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this side a little bit and see if this is the top. I have to just open it all the way up. Yeah, it's the top. All right, we got lucky. All right, I'm not gonna handle nothing on here without gloves, okay? Because I don't want them to say shit to me. All right. Here's my shoes. Package was closely inspected and authenticated. They signed for this. They signed that they authenticated it. Bums. All right, this is the right shoe. Nothing on the right shoe. Here is the left shoe in question. What in the hell is that? Ugh, I have never seen that on there, and if I would have ever seen it on there, I would have freaked, and I'm freaking out right now that I see it live. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on these nerdy magnifying glasses, and I want to see if it's if I can tell by the finish if it's like an oil based, like if it has a shiny finish, or if it's wax based maybe, or graphite based. I want to see what's going on here. Looks like marker. I mean, if I were to guess, it looks like marker. This is like a worst case scenario here. I'm gonna brush it lightly and see what it does. By the way, guys, I don't even have a black marker. Okay, just going over it lightly is not doing anything, but it's also not spreading it, which is good. Now, I'm gonna get something behind the nylon there. Okay, so the foam is actually glued on the front. Just gonna have to be super careful. Today I learned that the foam is glued on the front and the back, on the nylon. I thought it was just stuffed, but that makes a lot of sense. All right, I'm just gonna try to first lightly rub with this baby wipe and see what happens. Well, I mean, it spread it a tiny little bit, but it also got rid of some of it. Try a magic eraser. Not much better than a baby wipe, to be honest with you. Alright, now I guess I'm gonna try some soap. Tried to use just water. Water's not doing it. Soap. If soap doesn't work, then acetone. It's coming out. It's just I want to try to do it as gentle as possible. But water alone and water with a magic eraser isn't cutting it. Some Shout Advanced Ultra Concentrated. See how this does. Don't want to use a whole lot, very little. And when it's wet, it looks like it's gone, but I don't want to get my hopes up. I still see a little bit right there. Can't really tell now. I'm not pressing down on this toothbrush at all. I'm just letting the ends of the bristles do what they can do. I don't see anything right now. Let's see. If I get this stuff off. If I still see anything. Looks like it's all off. I need to get it off quickly before I don't want any like water staining. But I want to make sure that it's completely off. I'm literally looking at every freaking fiber right now, making sure that it's white. If there's any fiber that isn't white, I gotta get after it. Literally, guys, there's two magnifications on this nerdy magnifier glasses thing that I'm wearing, and I got it on the highest one, and I'm literally inspecting every single fiber up here to make sure that they're all white. There's one that isn't white, I'm going after it. See something here. I can't tell if it's a speck of dust or not. It's just a piece of dust. All right, I don't see anything. I'm live on this one, yeah. The other ones I'm recording, but I'm not live.
So other people are watching you right now?
I have one viewer on the live one. You can say something. What do you want to say to the people? You don't know. I'm gonna take this camera and give you guys a close-up of what I see after cleaning and drying. Now that stain had originated right there and was going down kind of here, and I do not see any evidence of it anymore. Not only that, the tongue looks clean. You got to remember, any dark spots that you see could be like dimpling, and that's exactly what it is. So I'm trying to make everything perfectly straight. Yeah, I don't see any evidence of it anymore. Oh man, darn it. Stopped recording like 7 minutes ago. Okay, well, I just learned that this top camera stopped recording about 7 minutes ago. What I did was I used a little bit of Shout and a toothbrush. Just a little bit of Shout and a toothbrush, and on the toothbrush I did not put a whole lot of pressure down. I didn't put any pressure down, I just kept going this way. And it got rid of it. Here, I don't need these anymore. You can put these on. Do not touch that shoe, but you can look at the tongue, okay?
Okay.
With this, you have to close one eye. See every fiber?
Those little circles.
Yeah,
Yeah, I see them.
Yep, every single fiber. And they're all white, so I think we're good. All right, guys, well, it looks like I was able to get this out without using any harsh chemicals. The first thing I tried was just a baby wipe. The baby wipe didn't do much, but kind of spread it around a little bit. Then I tried a magic eraser. The magic eraser wasn't much better than the baby wipe, but then what I used was this Shout Advanced. It has a scrubber on it, but I didn't want to use that scrubber. I just wanted to use the toothbrush and just kind of go. So I just put some of the product on the toothbrush and I went up and down, up and down. I did not put a whole lot of pressure on it, and it removed it. And then the other thing I did was dry it right away. I didn't want any water staining or anything like that, and I didn't want any wicking. Wicking will happen in foam if the surface is dry, but there's still moisture on the inside. The inside moisture is going to come out eventually, and that could cause a stain, and I didn't want any of that. So I made sure it was completely dry, so there's no wicking going on here. I don't see any water staining. I think we are 100% clean. I'm gonna contact this trade partner and see what he wants to do, if he still wants to go ahead with this. If he doesn't, I understand, what a headache. But if he does, I'm still down for it. I honestly have no idea how that got there. I don't have black marker. That was black marker. I don't have black marker. So it's very frustrating. Very frustrating. Anyway, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Make sure you tune in on the next one, where I'll be less frustrated and more upbeat about shoes.